Hello everyone, welcome to Cooler Reports. I will show you the newest product for the bakery cases today. And let's take a measurement for the overall size first. The units, the base, about 48.5 inches long. And the overall height will be 47.5 inches high. And the depth for the measurements will be 27 inches. Also, here's the counter. It's about almost 18 inches high for this counter. And I'll go ahead to show the back side and the inner side dimensions. Let's take a look at the measurements for the inner side. These have a sliding doors, handlebars here. And they have two shelves. The shelvings about 15 inches deep. And the shelvings about almost 43.5 inches wide. The base part will be 22.5 inches. And also you can see we have a controller at the bottoms and also the switcher right here. Standard 110 plugs, US 110 plugs right here. Thank you for watching the videos, and if you have more questions, please contact with us. We'll give you more details on the system.